Reels, available on satellite and cable systems nationwide.
All right, whether you're ready or not, it is swimsuit season.
Casey, I am so not ready. Dang it, I was almost ready.
All right, well, Steve, he's in luck. You guys are in luck at home. Style expert Michael O'Connor is here with some swimsuit tips for your body type. Hi, Michael. Happy summertime to you.
Hey, Casey. Hey, Steve.
He's loving this already. Okay, we're gonna jump right in. Start with the tall girls, women like Cameron Diaz. What should they be wearing?
You know, although Cameron has curves, many women who have a taller body type really don't. So you should really maximize the curves and kind of take away from the height. So for example, horizontal stripes would be beautiful, as well as bold patterns. It kind of counterbalances the tall, lean body type, especially if it is worn as a one-piece style. But let's face it, if you've got abs, you want to show them, go with a low-rise waist. Halter tops are really very great because they can be adjustable and they allow a taller frame to tailor the fit. And of course, a higher waisted bottom really pulls it all in.
All right, now we move on to the shorter ladies. You know, Kristen Bell, she's only 5'1". She's tiny and she just had a baby. So there's even swimsuits with some tummy control.
There are. Now, you know, shorter women really usually have a little bit more curves than their taller sisters. So one-piece styling is very, very flattering on shorter body types. The lack of interruption from top to bottom really gives the illusion of height. And also the great thing is that vertical stripes, especially deep cut V's or vertical patterns, really create a great amount of height. The other thing is that patterns, if they're minimal or repetitive or monochromatic top to bottom, really also look great. And if baby's got a little back, use a fuller fit on the bottom.
Nice.
Now let me jump in here, by the way. I've liked all the pictures that we're seeing, the little side-by-side photos. I just wish that more women actually posed like that while in their swimsuits. You don't see that often enough.
You don't.
All right, I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this.
Okay, let's move on to the athletic type. Jessica Biel, she always looks amazing. What suits are best for the athletic woman?
You know, the thing about the athletic women is that they really need to accentuate their curves. So a contrasting lighter color or patterned top, especially anything with a wrap across the top, is going to give you a little bit more of a fuller bust. Pieces with fringe or details, top or bottom, give you a little extra, you know, a little extra weight, if you will. And then of course, anything that is really got a fringe, a higher waist, or wrapped like this is really going to give you a little bit of extra curve on the top and bottom.
Now, can I jump in here with a guy question? This would be the guy question. Should we be getting swim trunks that are high and above our knee? Because I feel like I'm seeing more of those. Your quick response to that, Michael, man to man?
No mankini, but above the knee is great.
Okay,
like
fair enough.
All right, now this one is my favorite. If you've got a generous booty, if you have junk in the trunk, my humps,
yeah.
What do these girls need to wear? Maybe to flaunt it or hide it? I don't know. What should they be wearing?
Well, you know, Jennifer Lopez is somebody who is 5'3". She's got generous curves, 34, 26, 38 reportedly, so she's a little bottom heavy. But I say choose a suit with a little bit more spandex. It'll help even out the curves and also provide some great underwire support. One-piece styling is also great, but if you do love a two-piece style, this tank teeny top that you're seeing here is really great. It actually helps to really minimize the curve, and that square cut short on the bottom also really helps to pull in the hip beautifully. Patterns are also can be very slimming if they're on a dark background.
And all these swimsuits, by the way, really great swimsuits can be found at Macy's for all those body types. So Michael O'Connor, thank you so much. Fabulous as always.
Great to see you guys.
You too.
Reels is TV about movies. Go to Reels.com to find Reels in your area.